Hey everyone, and welcome back to iWebbers. It's great to have you here. This week has been packed with fascinating developments in the world of artificial intelligence, and I've put together a quick summary of the top 5 stories you need to know. Just a quick reminder, this content is for general information and discussion, not official news or professional advice. Alright, let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about safety and regulation. California has just signed a new AI safety law, which is a pretty big deal. This law is aimed at improving transparency for the major tech companies that are building these powerful AI systems. It requires developers to be more open about how they test their models and what steps they're really taking to mitigate potential risks. This is a significant move toward creating a more accountable and safer AI ecosystem, and it'll be interesting to see how companies adapt and what kind of ripple effect this has across the industry, and even globally. It's all about making sure that as AI gets more powerful, it also gets safer for all of us. Moving on to our second update, we have some exciting news from Anthropic. Their AI model, Claude, just rolled out a set of new document features that are seriously impressive. Users can now create simple PDFs, presentations, and even spreadsheets directly from a text prompt. Imagine just typing, create a 5-slide presentation about the benefits of renewable energy and watching it come to life. This shows just how quickly these creative AI tools are evolving. It's moving beyond just generating text or images and is now stepping into practical, everyday productivity tasks. This could completely change how we approach work, making content creation faster and more accessible than ever before. It's a fantastic example of AI becoming a true digital assistant. For our third story, let's turn our attention to one of the biggest names in tech, Apple. According to recent reports, Apple is actively testing new and improved AI functions for both Siri and its search capabilities. The main goal here is to make interacting with your Apple devices feel more natural and conversational. Instead of just getting a list of web links, you could ask a complex question and get a direct, well-reasoned answer, much like you would from a human. This could fundamentally change how we find information and interact with our phones and computers, making the experience much more intuitive and seamless. It looks like the race to create the ultimate personal AI assistant is heating up, and Apple is clearly making a major play. Next, our fourth piece of news looks at the big picture, the infrastructure behind the AI boom. There's a growing discussion about how the major AI companies are building and managing their systems. It's a classic build versus buy debate, but on a massive scale, some companies like OpenAI and Tesla are investing heavily in owning their own hardware, building custom data centers to have full control over their computing power. On the other hand, companies like Anthropic and many startups are focusing on strong partnerships with large cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Each strategy has its own pros and cons, involving trade-offs between cost, control, and scalability. It's really interesting to see these different business strategies taking shape, as they will likely define the future landscape of the AI industry. And for our fifth and final update this week, let's talk about creativity. Creative studios across film, gaming, and advertising are increasingly experimenting with AI tools to streamline their workflows. They are using AI to help with everything from generating storyboards and concept art to creating initial sound designs and visual effects. These tools have the potential to massively speed up the pre-production and production processes, allowing creators to explore more ideas in less time. However, this trend also brings up important, new questions. We're seeing more debates about the role of human creativity, what constitutes original work, and how we handle digital rights in an age where art can be generated by a machine. It's a fascinating and complex area where technology and artistry intersect. And just a quick bonus note before we wrap up, AI adoption continues to expand at a breathtaking pace all around the world. From developing nations to established economies, many regions are still in the early stages of figuring out how to best integrate these technologies into their education systems, businesses, and even our daily lives. The global conversation about AI is only just beginning, and there's so much potential yet to be unlocked. So that's a quick look at this week's AI highlights. From new regulations and powerful creative tools to big-picture business strategies, it's clear that things are moving fast. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy getting these simple, straightforward updates, please hit that like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode of AI World Weekly. I'll see you in the next one.